Imagine an endless network stretching in every direction. At each point, a jewel. And inside each jewel, the reflection of all the others. A universe of reflections within reflections. An ancient metaphor, but also perhaps a literal description of our reality. Today we'll explore Indra's Net, an ancient view of the cosmos that seems to anticipate the most advanced theories about the multiverse, consciousness, and quantum information. And perhaps, at the end of this journey, you'll discover that you've never been alone. If you're passionate about the mystery of reality and the possibility that we are all connected on an invisible level, subscribe to the Reality Shift channel and leave a like. Help more seekers like you discover the channel. Indra's Net comes from Vedic thought, particularly the Avatamsaka Sutra, a Buddhist text that describes the universe as a cosmic web woven by the god Indra. At each knot, a jewel. Each jewel reflects all the others. And within each reflection, infinite more reflections are contained. This image is more than poetry, it's a description of interbeing, a philosophical principle that suggests nothing exists in isolation. Everything that exists in relation to everything else. A millennia-old intuition that modern physics is beginning to confirm. In modern cosmology, we know that the visible universe is structured in a cosmic web of filaments. Galaxies, clusters, and dark matter intertwine, forming structures that curiously resemble a gigantic brain. Computer simulations of matter distribution in the universe show patterns almost identical to human neural connections. Coincidence? Or perhaps a hint that the universe is a mind thinking itself? Furthermore, in quantum physics, entanglement experiments have shown that two particles can remain connected no matter the distance separating them. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But for Indra's Net, that spookiness isn't an anomaly. It's the very foundation of existence. Every particle, every jewel, contains information about the whole. In some way, the entire universe is in every part of the universe. This idea leads us directly to the holographic theory of the universe. According to physicists Gerard 't Hooft and Leonard Susskind, all the information contained in three-dimensional space could be encoded on a two-dimensional boundary. In other words, the reality we perceive could be the projection of a more fundamental information pattern. Don't forget to check out the specific content on the channel for the holographic universe theory. If that's true, every fragment of the cosmos would contain the whole, just like in Indra's Net. And if every jewel reflects all the others, then consciousness itself could be the mirror where the universe contemplates itself. Neuroscience and information physics are beginning to converge on a disturbing question. Is consciousness an emergent phenomenon, or the very fabric of reality? Some theorists like Giulio Tononi, within the framework of integrated information theory, and Roger Penrose, within that of quantum consciousness, suggest that consciousness could be a fundamental property of the universe, present at all scales. If this is true, then every mind is a jewel in the net, reflecting and participating in the total knowledge of the cosmos. And every thought, every emotion, every decision could resonate in the deepest planes of existence, altering the invisible connections of the universal net. In the digital age, Indra's Net has taken on new meaning with the simulation theory. And it's that if the universe is a simulation, this network could be the code that connects all information nodes, a kind of fractal architecture that sustains the simulated reality. Quantum entanglements would then be the data bridges that synchronize the simulation in real time. Consciousness would be the observer, but also the processor, an interface between the code and its meaning. Perhaps Indra's Net isn't out there, but inside you. Each of us is a jewel reflecting the others, participating in an infinite dance of interconnection. And perhaps by understanding this, we can begin to feel part of a larger whole, where every action, however small it may seem, resonates throughout the universe. And you? Do you feel that invisible connection that unites us all? Leave your thoughts in the comments, And if this journey has made you think, subscribe to Reality Shift and share this video to continue exploring the mysteries of reality together.